Okay, hello everyone. My name is Tracy. I am from International Grinding Mill Department. Now we are in the 10,000 square meter exhibition hall, the largest mining equipment products showroom in Asia. We will spend about 20 minutes together to have an online visit of our grinding section together. Our group company was founded in 1980s. Till now, we have formed a most complete product series. Our grinding products cover a wide linkage from coarse powder production like 0 to 3 mm, common powder production from 80 to 325 mesh, and ultra-fine powder production up to 2,500 mesh. Behind me, you can find we have various products exhibited here. They are either big or small, fat or thin. So no matter if you want a big or small capacity, coarse or fine products, or you want to pursue a new technology, or you want to support your clients, there will be always the right model fit for you. Okay. The first mill that catches our eyes is MTW series European type Raymond mill, especially for 80 to 325 mesh powder. Our group company is the pioneer in Raymond mill industry. We started to develop this mill around 1980s. From the first generation high pressure mill to 3R and 4R mill, YGM mill, MTM mill, to the latest MTW series European type Raymond mill, our products has gone through 5 generations. Our R&D department pay high attention on mill technology update to better support our clients. Besides, I have exciting news to show. Our latest MRN series product is ready to say hello to all of our friends in this Burma exhibition. So later you can contact us for more details. Now you may wonder, what are the special selling points of our MTW mill? Let's look at the mill structure. Okay, from the bottom to the top. Firstly, for the bottom part, you can find we are using hot valve gear transmission instead of traditional gearbox. It will be easy assembly, maintenance, and power saving. And then for the snail shell part, you can find the surface of snail shell, observation door, and also the maintenance door is curved shape. Thus the air can run smoothly inside. Besides, we increased the air duct height for few models, the air duct height. Thus, the air ventilation will be increased to improve the capacity. Then for the middle part, now we cannot see it clearly. In fact, for the key parts inside, like the roller, the ring, the shell parts, we have special design and very resistant materials to prolong the lifespan. Then the top part, we specially adopt the 3rd generation hand cone shape cage type classifier. It with high classifying efficiency, accuracy, and large capacity. So now we have a basic idea of this main unit. Then let's have a study of the whole system together. Okay. This point is the feed opening of the mill. Small particles will be fed to the mill via screw feeder or belt feeder evenly and gradually. After grinding, the fine powder with air will be sucked to the classifier. So fine powder, then where the pipes will be collected in the cyclone powder collector. Coarse powder with gravity will fall down for re-grinding, and then very few dust will be collected in the pulse dust collector. According to your local environment policy, we have different grades dust filters to control the dust emission standard within like 30, 20, or 10 mg per cubic meter. We are adopting the best quality components. Our MTW mill system can achieve a best performance, such as the blower we mentioned. It plays an important role in whole system. For our group company, we especially adopt the top Chinese brand blower to make sure the performance. And also it's with Siemens motor and top brand bearings. Besides, it's with high manufacturing accuracy. Thus, during the operation, the key parts, like bearing, will not get overheat to ensure the long lifespan and the performance. Besides, you can find our blower is as a whole. So it means during dispatch, our blower is with a steel structure. So when you start to install the blower, you can fix it with both to connect with foundation. It will help you save the engineer, save the time and cost. Now we are moving forward to our second product, SCM series superfine mill, especially for 325 to 2500 mesh, that is 45 to 5 micron. We started to develop this mill around 2005. After repeated successful trial run, this mill was put into market around 2007. Here we have prepared the white stones. You may get it. It's calcium carbonate. About 60% our SCM mills are used for calcium carbonate. It is also the common mineral all over the world. Countries like Egypt, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, and many other countries, they have rich calcium carbonate ore. These are readily where our SCM mills are used. Besides calcium carbonate, we specialize in cultural fan powder production like active carbon, carbon black, graphite, barite, talc, and so on. So our team can provide you a customized design for different requests and minerals. For SCM mill, we have 5 models. Now this big model is our second brother in the SCM mill family. Let's have a look at this table. You can find its model is SCM 1250. It means it's working there. The ring there is 1250 millimeter. Its max fitting size is 20 millimeter. So if your ore is with larger size, we can add a primary crusher to reduce the size. And then its output size range is from 325 to 2500 mesh, and its capacity differs from 2.5 to 14 tons per hour. For this big model, it is also hot sale in a lot of countries, especially in Vietnam. Our customers really like it a lot. They will use it to produce 10 micron and 15 micron powder, especially for the industry like paint and plastic. Now I'm standing under this BB model. You can find it's much smaller than our other models. It's the smallest ones. We call it SCM 800 mill. A lot of our friends also call it 21 roller mill because it has 21 rollers inside. If you just enter the grinding industry or you want to start a business with a light investment, then this mill will be the right choice. Normally, our customer can start to get profit after 3 months. In a lot of countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and also many other countries, it is very popular model. This big giant behind me is our superstar. It's LM series vertical roller mill. A lot of our friends maybe have heard this mill a lot. Vertical mill originates from Germany technology. It's firstly widely used in the cement industry, especially for the cement and coal grinding. Now for our group company, we have 4 complete products. Firstly is our LMM series, especially for coal and petcoke, these explosive materials. This is also our typical case. we have hundreds plus experience for co-grinding. And our group company has especially 5 steps anti-explosive solution for the co-grinding to ensure the safe production. Then the second products, LM Key series for common minerals like barite, gypsum, limestone, lime, and so on. Third series, LMN series, especially for hard material like clinker, slag, feldspar, silica, and so on. A lot of our friends also call it cement mill, slag mill, or ceramic mill. The last point is our LMD series. D is short for design. It means we can provide you a customized design for special requests like coarser or finer products or very special material. Okay, so now you want to know then what is the special advantage of LM mill compared with MTW mill or ball mill, because we also have these products for similar range. Then let's have a close look at this mill. Firstly, LM mill integrates the grinding, classifying, and drying in one system. It means the hot air can be connected to the mill, so during grinding, the moisture can be dried. Besides, if you are from cement factory, steelworks, or if you have lime kiln, there is tailor gas to be recycling used. Then we notice that this vertical mill is with separate lubrication station to lubricate the gearbox and rollers. So the mill can run 24 hours non-stop and is more advanced and automatic also. Then for the roller part, you can find our roller part connects with hydraulic arms and the system. So where the operation of hydraulic system, the roller can be turned out for easy maintenance. Besides, for the roller and grinding table, we specially adopt wear-resistant material to prolong the lifespan. So compared with Raymond mill, the maintenance job is much easier. And then let's look at the top. For the classifier, we have different designs to satisfy different families' requests. And lastly, compared with traditional ball mill, vertical mill is at least 30% power saving. And besides, it's with whole automatic PLC control system. So even you have a young employee or even the young lady, they can operate the control cabinet easily. Now we are in the position of our last product, LUN series ultra-fan vertical roller mill. Both our LUN mill and the LM mill belong to vertical roller mill types. Compared with MTW Raymond mill, SBM superfine mill, they are more advanced technology. You can consider them like Huawei and Honor mobile phones. For the LUN mill, it was initially born in paper-making industry. Our customer will use it as pre-grinding for 50 micron or 10 micron powder production. After grinding, this powder will enter wide process to achieve even finer product, like 2 micron. Because of its outstanding performance, later LUN mill was widely used in different materials, like calcium carbonate, talc, choline, and so on. Also, besides paper making, it will be widely applied for plastic, rubber, paint, cable, food industry, and so on. Compared with traditional ball mill and our superfan mill, this LUN mill has its special features. Let's look at this mill. Firstly, similar like LM mill, it's with separate lubrication system, especially for the gearbox and the rollers. So no need frequent machine stopping for the lubrication. It will be more automatic and easy maintenance. And secondly, because of its special working principle, The material will be ground in the gap between the grinding table and the roller. It will produce more fines. And also for the roller and grinding table, we use special material. Take calcium carbonate for example, its lifespan can be around 4 to 5 years. So it means during operation there is very little maintenance job. Besides, it will produce very little mechanic iron to ensure the powder wetness. Then let's look at the top. For the classifier, we also have two designs. One is multi-head classifier, the other is the single-head classifier to satisfy different powder fineness requests. Besides this classifier, we can add a secondary classifying system to achieve more fine products like 4 to 5 micron D97 passing rate. Also, you can find this mill is with hydraulic system, then the roller can be turned out easily as well. Also for this mill, it's equipped with advanced PLC system, then it can help you save the worker and also it's more advanced. So till now, our grinding section journey has been almost finished. Thanks for your listening, and we warmly welcome you to send us inquiry and visit our exhibition hall and production room and our factories. No matter if you are man owner, you want to start the grinding business, or you want to expand the capacity for your grinding factory, or if you are from the consultant company, you are looking for a mill for your client, just contact us. Our professional sales managers and engineers will work out a best solution for you and hope our team can bring more profit for you. Thank you.